In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise on a specific app using Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to make sure your ads appear inside the apps you care about. First, create a new campaign in your Google Ads account and select the display campaign type. Display campaigns are what allow your ads to show across websites and, most importantly for this tutorial, inside mobile apps. If you're wondering why display is key here, it's because app placements live in the Google Display Network, not in search. As you move through the campaign setup, look for the targeting section. This is the area that controls where your ads can appear. You'll see an option to add audience targeting, demographics, and content-based options, but for app-specific placements, we'll go straight to the exact spot that matters. Click on Add Targeting, then choose the Placements option. Placements let you handpick the exact locations where your ads will run, and that includes individual apps. This is perfect when you want your budget focused only on apps your ideal customers use, rather than spreading across a broad range of inventory. Now choose Apps. From here, you can search for specific apps by name, browse available options, or filter by app stores and categories. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct app, especially if there are multiple apps with similar names. If you have the store URL or the package ID, use that to be extra precise. Add each app placement you want, and keep in mind you can select more than one if your strategy calls for it. Once your placements are set, continue with your ad setup. Choose your locations and languages, set your daily budget and bidding strategy, and build your ad. For best results in apps, make sure your creative is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and includes a clear call to action. Responsive display ads work well because they automatically resize to fit different app formats. If brand safety matters for your campaign, consider adjusting content exclusions so your ads show in suitable environments. Before you finish, review your selections to confirm the campaign type is display. Your targeting includes the placements you chose under apps, and your ads are approved and ready. Publish the campaign, and you're done. Your ads will now serve specifically within the apps you selected. That's all. Simple, precise, and focused advertising right where your audience spends time.